Here's a 2011 Dodge Durango. Take command of a full-strength SUV that simply never settles. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V6 engine, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual tilting steering column. You connect with Bluetooth, AM/FM Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, key fob activated rear windows, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. New Car Test Drive offers this SUV will work best for those with varied needs, plenty of seats, good cargo capacity, and great hauling flexibility. Every Dodge delivers a signature thrill. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.